Alright, so we are back with another haircut. I got my model Nick, and today what we're going to do is kind of a chunky texturized cut here on top. We're going to do it nice and tight on the sides and back, keeping it nice and clean. I'm going to cut the top of the hair, just the tip of the scissor. So we're going to cut a nice chunky top up here. Nick will be able to comb it more groomed if he wants, or he'll also have the versatility and option to get some pomade into his hair, into his hands, and kind of wear it a little bit more textured. What I did first was I sectioned off the top. We're going to address the sides first, the sides and the back. We're going to take it nice and tight, and then we're going to save the top for last. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a wider tooth comb, and we're actually going to start the scissor over comb process. We're going to start right here on the sides and work in panels. We're going to do panel number 1, which is above the ear, panel number 2 is in front of the ear, and then I work panel 3, 4, and 5, basically working my way back. Now that we have scissor over comb, the sides and the back nice and tight, what I want to do is address the top. So we're going to go ahead and take these clips out. Like I said, we're going to leave the top a little bit longer, but we're going to definitely cut some of the length off. recap, we started with cutting the sides and the back. I knew I wanted to keep the top longer. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it other than I knew I wanted it to be chunky and texturized, which we've created here. So we sectioned the top away, so I could save that for last, and we basically cut and removed all of the hair around the sides and back, and then scissor overcombed it nice and short and clean. And then after that, we created a section here in the middle so that the front was the longest piece, kind of from long piece to here to shorter here at the center, and then we took horizontal sections, basically using that as our guide. Then once we did that, we blended in the sides and then texturized a lot up here at the top so that it can have a nice chunky effect. So then once we did all that, we just put some pomade into it, kind of twisted the hair to create these chunky pieces. And basically you're just doing it wherever you think you want to do it. Like I said, you can lay it flat, you can pull it up. That's up to you and how you want to dress it with the pomade. So that is the end of the haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you so very much again for watching this tutorial.